So, Ethan, will you love Kylie by through happiness and sadness?
Very happiness.
Yes. Will you be with Kylie through rich and poor?
Poor?
Poor and richness.
Oh, hindi alam ni Ethan yung nangyayari. He's trying to marry us.
Yeah, there is a wedding right now. Yeah, and you are getting, there is a wedding in Encantadia and I am emo.
Ethan. Okay, let's ask Kylie first. Ladies first.
Hindi niya alam.
Shotgun.
Marrying us, he doesn't know what's happening.
But Ethan is willing, right, Ethan? Yes?
Huh?
Yeah, we're going to have a TikTok wedding.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Tenen. Ay, graduation pala yun. Graduation.
Too fast again!
Let's go. Wedding song. Okay, here we go.
Wedding verse.
Ten. Here we go.
Dun, 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 dun.
Wedding song. Yung Beautiful in White, right?
Yeah.
Beautiful in White. Okay.
Wedding.
All right. Everybody, TikTok Philippines. You are gonna witnessing the best ever moment of TikTok live.
The wedding of Kylie and Ethan.
Asan yung tugtog? Ba't ako yung naglalakad? Ako yung dapat yung pupuntahan niya eh.
Sure if you know this, but when we first met, I got so nervous.
Oh, Ethan, Boss Robin is now handling Kylie to you. Say hi to Boss Robin.
Yeah.
Oh, he's so cute! Gigil ako.
Alright, now get Kylie now. Put her into your arms. So the two of you is walking now. Mamatay kayo sa inggit, mga diponggol.
So beautiful in white,
Alright.
and from now to
Moment of silence. Everyone in the building, 3,000, 4,000 viewers, we're gonna be witnessing the unbroken and never be broken vow of the two of this. Ayan, naubos yung... Magre-reload lang ako ng English, guys, ha? Magre-reload lang ako.
Patay na si Ethan! Oras na!
Alright, Ethan.
Huh?
Okay. Will you be with Kylie through happiness and sadness, through rich
Yes.
and poor?
Yes.
Yes. Kylie, will you be with Ethan forever and ever through happiness and sadness until she can reach the remote control?
Yes.
All right. Now you may kiss the bride. I announce you husband and wife.
my very last breath, this day I'll cherish.
Woo! Iko-content ko to, be, ah. Aray mo. Oy, thank you so much, ah. Grabe. Ay! Honeymoon na. Thank you so much.
Patay na! Mag-honey.
Bye-bye, Ethan and Kylie. Bye-bye.
Congratulations!
Congratulations. Team Kaithan.
Yeah, kinda.
So many hug. Which one?
Very nice. Mahal kita.
사랑해, 자기야, 사랑해.
Sa akin ka lang.